Hello guys, welcome to TC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment updates from Genpact and also TCS. So Genpact is hiring for a different post. We'll be seeing the recruitment updates one by one from Genpact. Also, we'll be seeing a bulk recruitment update from TCS also. Okay, so if you are interested in these updates, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. Okay. So the first set of updates we are going to see is from Genpact. Recently also I have done a video on Genpact. A lot of people have applied and many people got selected also. Okay, so the first post is process developer invoice to cash. Okay, so this is actually a customer care or BPO kind of a job. Here, the minimum qualification you can see clearly graduation in any stream, and also you are having good interpersonal skill and you are meaningful to, that is, you have meaningful work experience. If you are having a previous work experience, then that is an advantage, but otherwise also you are open to apply. Okay, so graduation in any stream is eligible to apply. So if you are having BTech or BSc or any qualification, there is any graduation, you are eligible to apply. Okay, so you can see the date of posting also. It is November 16th, very latest update. The location of job is Noida. So in order to apply, what you have to do is just click on this apply icon. First, you have to create an account with Genpact Career site, and then you have to apply. Okay, so that is application process. The second post is DG process developer invoice to cash billing. Okay, so here they are looking for specifically BCom graduates, graduate in commerce, BCom. Also, you should be having good at English language skills. Okay, if you are having good verbal and written communication skills, you are eligible to apply. Also, you should be a person from BCom background. Okay, so this post they are actually calling for only BCom candidates. Again, the location is Gurugram. Gurugram is a location. Date of posting is November 16th. Okay. Nowadays, actually, Genpact is hiring a lot of people. So if you are interested in working with Genpact, this is the right time to apply. So please do check out the links which I'll be posting in description. Other than that, you can also follow the career site of Genpact. They are posting a lot of updates day by day. Okay. So you can have a track on the career site of Genpact and you can apply for whichever post you are interested. Okay. The third update we are going to see is Process Associate Content Moderation, Arabic plus English. Okay, so this is a content moderation or content management related job role, and minimum qualification is any graduate. Freshers are eligible, fluent in read and write English and Arabic language. Okay, so this is actually a content management for English and Arabic language. So if you're a person who is having a little bit of knowledge in Arabic language also, you will get more preference. Okay. So any graduate is eligible. If you are having PG, they have given here that will be an added advantage. Okay. Location is Hyderabad. And in order to apply, just click on this apply icon. Okay. So this is a process associate content moderation. So as I've told you, this is a content management job role. So you'll be managing the content, sorting them, arranging them. That is a job. Okay. Next post we are going to see is again process associate content moderation. And this is Bengali plus English. Okay. So the same is a qualification. Only thing is that you should be having a little bit of knowledge in Bengali language. Okay. Any graduate, freshers are eligible. You should be having knowledge in English and Bengali language. Okay, so that is the requirements. Next, we are going to see a recruitment update from TCS. So here TCS is conducting a bulk recruitment for all the BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc candidates for the year of pass out 2020 and 2021. Earlier, and the last day to apply was 15th of November, but they have actually extended the date up to 30th of November. So if you have missed out this recruitment update previously, this is the right time for you to apply. Okay. So if you are a student of 2020 or 2021 pass out or batch of study, then you can apply here. So we have already discussed about the platform Relevel by Unacademy. So here there is an exciting news about Relevel that they have launched two tests in the domains of business analyst and data analyst role, and it is completely free of cost. And through this test, you can actually get your dream company and your dream package, and you can earn up to 22 lakhs per annum. You can get big companies like Cred, Meesho, Urban Company, Upgrad, Razorpay, etc. 200 plus leading companies are actually hiring through this platform. And now there is an exciting news also that they have launched an app for Android and iOS users. Now here what you have to do is, this is a completely free of cost platform. You just have to click on this icon which is called Get Hired, and then the next thing you are going to do is you are going to book a test slot, and after booking the test slot you are going to give the test, and if you get a good score at the test, you will be hired by all the big companies, and you don't have to bother about going to the company sites and applying multiple times. You will be hired and you will be approached by the big companies. There is another exciting news about ReLevel, that they are hosting their first ever Achievers Summit. So this is going to be an event in which the achievement of the people through this platform is being celebrated, and this is going to happen on 18, that is Thursday at 7 p.m. So this in this event, Sunil Chhetri is going to come and congratulate all the achievers through this platform. So if you are also interested in that is seeing this event, and if you are also interested in getting some motivation through this event, please do check out the link which I'll be posting in description. This is actually the channel of ReLevel. So this is actually a bulk recruitment update from TCS. Let us have a look in detail about the eligibility criteria. So eligible streams of study are BB Tech, ME Tech, MCA, MSc from the year of pass out 2020 and 2021, means freshers and final years are eligible to apply here. Now, in order to apply, what you have to do, they have actually given the step-by-step procedure, step 1, step 2, step 3. So first you have to log on to the TCS Next Step portal. You have to just click on here. Step 2 is you have to first register. If you are a new user, you have to register as a new user, and you have to register under IT category. And then the next thing is you have to apply for Drive. Okay. So this is the application process. Now, what is the test pattern? Let's have a look on that. So the test will be consisting of two parts. Part A will be cognitive skills, and part 2 is programming knowledge testing. Okay. So the cognitive skill will be consisting of numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability. So this is an aptitude check. Okay, so here you will be tested for your aptitude skills and problem solving skills, and the total time duration will be 120 minutes. And the part B is actually a coding or your programming language knowledge will be checked. Okay, so there will be actually two parts. Programming logic testing will be there, and also coding session, means you have to code, you have to do a little bit of coding. Okay, so totally 60 minutes will be the duration of part B. The total test will be for a minute. There is total 180 minutes will be the duration. Okay, so this is a test pattern. If you are having any doubts, you can actually go and check the frequently asked questions session. Many people will be actually facing troubles while applying and all. So they have actually answered the questions one by one. Okay. Now let us have a look on the detailed eligibility criteria, means the percentage requirements and all. So minimum aggregate you need 60% or 6 CGPA in class 10th, 12th and diploma. Then highest qualification students should have completed their highest qualification, or if you are in the 2021 batch and if you are still studying, then no problem, but 2021 candidates are eligible to apply. Okay, other than that, if you are in the 2022 batch of study or 23 batch of study, you are not eligible to apply. Backlogs or arrears, students should not have any pending backlogs. So if you are having any backlogs and all, you can't apply here, so please don't apply. Okay, age limit they have said is 18 to 28 years is a maximum age limit. Work experience is students with prior work experience up to 2 years is eligible. If you are having more than that, again you are not eligible here. Okay, other than this, we have seen what is the batches of study, or what are the courses of study which they are calling for: BB Tech, MEM Tech, MCA and MSc students of 2020 and 2021. Okay, so that's all about today's video. We have seen the recruitment updates from Genpact and also TCS. So if you are interested in any of these companies, the links I'll be posting in description box. Please check out the links in description, and please to apply for whichever post you are interested in. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Please keep supporting the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.